I welcome you once again to this tutorial. This is where we have ended in our previous lesson. We want to continue from where we have ended. So let's change it to layout view. Let's change it to layout view, this layout view. So now we can send this to the middle. Send it to the middle. And let's reduce the size. So go to format. It's 20. Let's reduce it to 16. Okay. And put it in the middle. Yeah. So here, let's interchange. Let's bring this one here. Let's send this one here. Okay. And let's bring the develop over here. And the page will be in the, let's reduce the size of this. Okay. Okay, but even this one, let's reduce the size. It's too big. Let's make it 9. Let's make this one to 9. 9. This one we can make it italic. Okay. This one, let's also make it 9. Now here, let's click on the design view and go to the property sheets. Here we want to format here. Click here and go to, and click on the 3 dots. It will open the expression builder for you. Okay, so bring your double quotation, space out, write printed. Before you write printed, bring ampersand. So ampersand and write printed. Printed on. Then bring the colon. Then space out and bring the double quotation. And click on OK. Let's say the expression you entered is invalid. Let's click here and work on it. So what we want to achieve is that we want it to come with the, so let's space this one. Okay, let's check it and see. There must be an operand, and it's going to say you might enter an operand without an operator. So let's go there and check it and do that correction. So let's correct that. So let's space out this one. Click here to space it and bring ampersand here. Bring an ampersand here. So let's click on that. Now it has fixed that error. Let's increase the size so that it will show everything. So let's go here and remove the end. The end is showing over there. It's supposed not to be here. So now it is showing perfectly. Let's space out the space. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing perfectly well. Let me space this out and see if, okay, not bad. So it was printed on this date by, so let's bring this one a little bit. Okay, so that's what we want to achieve, and we're able to achieve it. So please look at it again on the when you come to this, what we have inputted. So you say we want to bring this text that is printed on, we put it in quotation mark and then we bring an ampersand. So click on OK. That's perfect. So we want to add some labels over here. I want to add some labels. So let's send this one down. Now we can close the property sheet. So that as a developer, it is not easy. As a programmer, it is not easy. You'll find some challenges on the way. So that's why it's not very easy to come by with a program, with a software. And that's when you create a software and you are selling it. When you are selling it to people, people don't see how the suffering you go through before you were able to produce that software. So as a programmer, you go through a lot, see some of the stresses as I'm going through. Somebody who have been using Access for a very long time. So let's forget about that. Let's use the text box rather. So this is a text box. So you draw a text box over here. The text box can help us to achieve that. Okay, come here and right click to delete. Okay, now Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Okay, so let's read this one and put this one here. And Control C, Control V to paste, Control V to paste. So let's work on this one. Let's go to data and go to control source. Click on the three dots over here so that it will open the expression builder for us. So here we want to display the school name. So in Access there's a formula which is called DLOOKUP, which look at index and match in Excel. So bring your equal to sign, then space out, then type DLOOKUP, and then it will bring for you. So click on DLOOKUP. It said DLOOKUP get the value of a particular field from a specified set of records. So we have already have a record contain that details. We just want to get that value from that record. So VLOOKUP. Then when you double click here, let me come to function. Let me click on the app. When you click on your name when you come here, go to table and look for school details. And we want to look for the school name. When you click on it, the school name will come. So you just delete this. You just want the school name and put the school name in quotation mark. You come here and put it in quotation mark. Then bring comma, then bring quotation mark again, then just click on the school table. Click it. Okay, it cannot click, so let's click on the school name again. It will bring the school detail for us. So just claim the school name. You don't want the school name, you just want the school detail. Then close the quotation and bring bracket. So we are looking for the school name which is found in the school detail. That's what it means. Click on OK. And let's view it in the layout view. There's an error. Let's work on that error. go back to, let's work on that error. So let me see. So that's the error that came. So that's the name I've given to the school name. So it will appear over here. Let's go to design. Let's go to format, and let's change the shape field to transparent, and then the shape outline to transparent, and then we'll change, let's bold it, and let's change the color to white. Let's reduce the size of this text. Let's put in the middle. So let's increase the size, because that's the school name. Let's increase the size to 18. So now you can expand this. Yeah. So let's redo this one. Let's bring this one here. And let's reduce the size to 14. And let's also bold it. This one to be, 14 is too much. Let's give it 12. Okay. Let's reduce the size. It depends on you. Okay. So this is how it will look like. Now let's come here and do something over here. We want the academic year. So go to the control source and click on the 3 dot over here, and then you are going to build an expression. So first of all, bring your equal to sign, then space out, and then bring your quotation, double quotation. In the quotation, write academic year, then bring your column. Okay, then you can space this one out, then come here and bring the ampersand, and then there's a formula in access which will enable us to display the date. You click on format. So format this one, and we want to format date. So click on the date. So click on date. Then so close this bracket. Then bring comma. Then bring quotation mark, double quotation. Then you want to format it into what? Year. Okay. Then bring ampersand again. So we want only the year. So that's why we're bringing that. So bring the ampersand. Then after the ampersand, space, bring double quotation. Before double quotation, bring slash, another double quotation. Then you go and copy the format. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, so before that, we need to put this one into bracket. If not, it will not work. There should be a bracket here, then +1. What we want to achieve is that it should give us the academic year in this format. Let's say you have 2022-23 academic year, 23-24 academic, in that order. That's what we mean. So let's click on OK. There's an error somewhere. Let's check that. One thing about Access is that if there's any error, it will rectify us. So let's check it and see where the error could be. Okay. So if we study this formula, you see that you put end over here, so there's no ampersand here, so put it there, and that is giving us that error. So ampersand. Let's click on OK, and I believe it will solve that error. So it has displayed there. Let's format it. Let's make it bold. Now let's go to format the shape field. Let's make it transparent, and then the shape outline, let's make it also transparent. So let's change the color to white, and let's reduce the size to 10. Okay, now let's work on this one. This one will give us the semester, but let's do something. Let's come here and let's copy this, Ctrl+C to copy, and let's come here, go to the control source, click on the 3 dots and paste it over here. Here we'll bring double quotation, another double quotation, then space out. Here we want the term, so write term, then colon. Okay. Now instead of the school name, here we'll use the if we come to the app, the table, we have, when it comes to the school details, right? Let's look at, you have term, okay, TB term, okay. So here we'll write there TB term. We'll just write term. You see, in the school detail, we have term. So we just write term. This is it. So in place of the school detail, we'll write the term. So TEM, term, and click on OK. There's an error again. Wow. I don't bring the end. Wow. So let's do that. Still. Okay, let me check it. Okay. It's supposed not to be here. It's supposed to be term, supposed to be here. The quotation. Then it should be a space. Okay. As you can see, it's very good that sometimes I intentionally did that so that we can learn from our mistakes. Okay, so let's put it transparent. Let's put it also transparent, and let's change the color to white. What is it? Let's go to Format Painter and give it to this one, so that they all have the same. So let's space out. Okay. That's good. We can position this one. Let's put it okay. It should be in line. That's okay. So we have the academic here. First of all, click here and lock it. Lock. Say no, so that, and click here also to lock it. Okay, so now we can see that everything is in capital letter. And yes, no, let's do that correction. So bring your, click here to displace there. So here, let's bring UCAP enable us to, so UCAP. So click on OK. Okay, there's an expression meeting. Okay, let's close the bracket. That's correct. So now you do for the schools, the class name. So you do it and send me a screenshot. We'll stop over here and we'll continue. So for me to really understand, really get that you are following, you do the class for me and then send me the screenshot class. So now after that, save your work, Control X to save your work. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.